Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make thick Hollandaise sauce. First, gather your ingredients: 3 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Next, set up a double boiler or a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water, ensuring the bowl does not touch the water. Melt your butter separately and keep it warm, as this will be crucial for a smooth emulsion. Now, in your double boiler, combine the egg yolks and lemon juice. Whisk these ingredients vigorously until the mixture becomes light, frothy, and slightly pale. Continue whisking constantly over low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. This gentle cooking process is essential to pasteurize the eggs and begin the thickening process, creating a stable base for your sauce. This is the critical step for thickness. Gradually, 1 teaspoon at a time, drizzle in the warm, melted butter while continuously whisking the egg mixture. This slow addition and constant whisking are key to creating a stable emulsion. Keep whisking until all the butter is incorporated and your Hollandaise sauce reaches a rich, thick consistency. If it gets too thick, a few drops of warm water can help. Finally, season your perfectly thick Hollandaise sauce with a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper to taste. Give it one last whisk to ensure everything is well combined. Serve your delicious Hollandaise immediately over your favorite dishes, like Eggs Benedict, steamed asparagus, or pan-seared salmon. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.